Hello, all, and welcome to this hands on lab. In our lab today, we will learn how to enable and disable automatic key rotation for a symmetric CMK. Before we proceed further ahead, a couple of things to keep in mind. Using AWS services leveraged in this lab might incur charges. Hence, ensure that you clean up all resources after completing this lab. Scenario for our lab today: we need to enable automatic key rotation for a symmetric CMK. Prerequisites for this particular hands-on lab is knowledge of AWS KMS. So if you don't know what this service is all about, please refer to these two tutorials that you can see on the screen. URL to the tutorials are mentioned right at the bottom. I will also have them posted in the description of this video. Reference URLs. Please do refer to this particular document in the documentation, right? It basically talks about how key rotation works and what are the various ways that you can, enable key rotation both automatic and manually. In fact, I have it open right here, and this basically talks about, how to enable and disable automatic key rotation. Some of the commands that we will be leveraging in this tutorial are also mentioned over here, right here, using the CLI. So we will be doing this using both console and CLI. These are the steps for our tutorial today. First, we will try this leveraging the AWS console. So we will go ahead and create a symmetric CMK leveraging KMS key material, and then we will enable key rotation for this particular CMK. You can enable and disable key rotation by checking this automatically rotate the CMK every year option. Okay. So let us go ahead and try doing this leveraging the AWS console. Let me switch to my console right here. So this is my console. I'm going to create a new CMK. So symmetric, advanced option. As I mentioned, take the key material origin as KMS, right? So we mentioned that right here, as you see. So select that option. Next, give a name. So I'm going to say name KMS CMK. You can give whatever name and description that you like. Tags are optional if you want to give some. You can select whatever two users you want. Right, again, I'm just going to select a couple of users for the usage permissions. Next, and this is our CMK right here. Let's scroll down and click on finish. And our CMK should be created shortly. So let me just filter this. Right, so there's my CMK right there. This is the CMK, and I'm going to copy its key ID. Just copy this and keep it handy right here. Right, so that's a key ID. Now, in order to enable automatic key rotation, right, we need to select the CMK that we just created and go to key rotation and then check this specific box. So let's select a CMK. This is a CMK. Go to key rotation, right, and select or check this particular box. So check this box and click on save. So this has basically enabled key rotation for this particular CMK. It's an annual key rotation, right? Automatically rotate the CMK every year. So this is how you do it using the console. Of course, if you want to disable it, just uncheck this box and save it again. But I'm just going to keep it enabled at this time. So we completed these steps, right, using the console. Now let us see how you can do this leveraging the CLI. So go ahead and create an IAMN user, right? You can create whatever user you like, but ensure that that particular user has these permissions. And after you create the user, ensure that you have its username, password, access key ID, and the secret access key, because you will need these to configure your AWS CLI. Okay, so just go ahead and create this user, configure your AWS CLI, right? So in my case, what I have done is I have basically provisioned a T2 micro Linux EC2 instance. And over here, my user is actually already configured. If I go to AWS configure, you will see this is the same user that you have here, right? Access key ID. But if you want to configure it, it's pretty straightforward. Just copy it, go back, right? Paste it right there. It's the same secret access key, so I'm not going to repeat it. My region is US East 1. You can give appropriate region. Format is fine, and we are good. We'll go ahead and clear the screen now. So clear. Okay. So after you configure it, okay, you are ready to go further ahead. Before I go further ahead, let me just revisit the permissions for this user. So I created this user called as key rotate, as you can see right here on the top where my mouse is. And it has an inline policy over here, right? And this particular user has these three permissions: enable key rotation, disable key rotation, and get key rotation status. So these are the three actions that this particular user is going to perform. So just go ahead and ensure that whatever user you create, right? Create an inline policy, just go over there. Like I'm just going to edit the policy right now, right? KMS, and in actions, just mention rotate basically, and you will get all these three, uh, you know, enlisted at the bottom. Just enable all of them or check all of them and save basically, right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. So my user has the required permissions. My user is configured on my EC2 instance. Now, if you are not using an EC2 instance and you're using your workstation, just configure your user right there, or whatever user you have, ensure that it has those three permissions, right? So let's continue further ahead. For us to enable, disable the key rotation leveraging CLI, this is the command, right? So this is the command to enable, and this is the command to disable. And if you want to get the key rotation status, then leverage the middle command. So let me basically go ahead and copy these, right? So these are the three commands that we have. I'm going to copy them to my notepad and paste it right there. So remember that we enabled the key style, the rotation for this particular key, leveraging the console, right? So I'm going to first go ahead and get its key status. So this is the command for that. Copy it, come back here, and I'm going to paste it, enter. So you see that key rotation is enabled for this particular key, is set to true. Now, if I want to disable it, right, then use this particular command, right? AWS KMS disable key rotation. Copy it, paste it right there. And again, if I run the status command again, it should come as false, right? And finally, let's say if I wanted to again go ahead and enable this, I can actually copy this particular key ID, paste it right here, okay, and execute this particular command. But before we do that, I'm going to go back to my console. And if you see, this particular checkbox has now been unchecked. Why? Because we disabled key rotation. Once I go and enable it, it will be checked again. Okay. So let's copy this from here. Come back here, clear the screen, paste it right there. Okay, it looks like it's succeeded. We are going to get the status again. And you see the status is set to true. Let me go back. And again, this particular checkbox is enabled or checked. So I hope that, guys, this particular lab was helpful. This basically tells you how to enable automatic key rotation for your CMK, right? This is generally a good practice. So just enable this, use this feature. You can leverage the AWS console, or if you prefer the CLI, leverage the CLI. But it's very straightforward, but a very powerful feature that you should definitely leverage in your day-to-day projects or day-to-day life. Okay, so that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you shortly in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.